What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're starting this video off, getting right to it like always, and we're at AutoZone actually, grabbing a battery for this HELLCAT. So it's been a long time. I haven't got the battery yet because I didn't want to have the car sitting with a brand new battery in it, because then the battery would go bad again, and I had to charge it, and it could go bad because cars don't like to sit. That's how batteries go bad. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna buy a battery, head back to the shop, and throw that thing in. So I guess let's go inside, let's grab this battery, and let's head back to the shop. Oh, and real quick before I go grab that battery, I just want to say, go check out the site. I'm gonna leave the link in the description, and cop yourself some merch, support your boy, because this stuff ain't cheap. These parts are never ending, and I want to get another build for you guys and whatnot. So if you want to support me, support the channel, it would mean a lot. Go cop yourself some merch. This shirt says JG, it's got the HELLCAT logo, and it says the HELLKEAZY on the side. I got other stuff, all types of stuff, so go check it out. This stuff's super fresh. All my friends love it, everyone I know loves it, so I'm sure you guys are gonna love it. So go check that out. It's on the links in the description. But let's go inside, grab this battery, and then I guess let's head back to the shop. This thing's freaking heavy. Oh, damn, son. We got it in there though. All right, y'all, so $200 later, got my little dielectric grease to keep it from corroding. But I swear this car never ends. 200 bucks later, but we got the battery. You guys are asking why I've been waiting to buy one. It's because it's 200 bucks, but we got it. And I guess let's head back to the shop, so I'll catch y'all there. All right, guys, so we're back at the shop. I got my $200 battery. We don't need the jump box no more. Got the key, we're ready to rip. So let's pop this trunk, throw the new battery in, and also I'm gonna throw the quick jacks under there real quick, and lift this thing up and fix that front bushing. If you guys remember, you guys that have been watching all the videos, that front sway bar bushing has been, when you turn, it's been knocking, and also when it's up in the air, I'm gonna bleed the power steering. So hopefully we can get all those things banged out and working perfect right now, and then we're gonna pull this thing out and give this thing a wash. So let's get to work, get this battery in, and then pull this thing out. Damn, son. The battery's so dead that I can't even pop the trunk. So I guess we gotta use the jump box one more time to get the trunk open, but we'll use that, and then we'll throw this battery in. So let's get at it. And now I'm gonna, actually no, it's so dead. I was gonna say I was gonna let the battery stay out to let the codes reset, because I heard that if you let the battery stay out, all the codes in the car, like all the check engine lights and stuff, will clear, but that thing was so dead, I'm not even worried about it. So I can pull the jump box off now, and I guess we're gonna throw that battery, the new battery in, and let this thing start up, give this thing a crank.
What does that keep it nice?
Batteries get like corroded. I mean, he just had to sell it to me. He said because he's giving me a discount. His boss always tells him to sell this shit when you sell a battery. So he said, I don't want my boss to yell at me for giving you a discount, so I gotta sell you this. But it actually is good stuff. All right, guys, moment of truth. I mean, I'm not really too worried because I know it's gonna start, but finally got a battery in this thing. Give it a crank. Cold start. Alright guys, so let's get this thing on the quick jacks, lift it up, fix that front sway bar, bleed the steering, and then give this thing a wash. So let's get at it. Oh shit. It's not in limp mode no more. It's ready to rip. Yo, so you know last episode I said that the car's in limp mode? Well, I just checked to see if it's in valet mode. I was checking it out, and listen, ready? It ain't in limp mode no more, boy. This thing's about to be ripping. Like, once we get this stuff fixed, as long as everything's good, this thing's about to go for a rip. So stay tuned.
For a donut today. He's doing a donut today for sure.
You know, man, quick detail. See, you know what this does? What it does is it's like one of those shots.
Alright guys, so we got it all finished. I mean, I wouldn't say, obviously it's not finished, but we got those bushings in, that front sway bar bushing, it popped out. That's what that clanking noise was. We got that fixed. Oh, bro, you know what I forgot to do? Alright guys, so I got the thing all washed up. I got that bushing fixed, but I forgot to bleed the power steering. So no big deal, we're gonna throw it back up on these quick jacks. Big shout out to quick jacks, you know, hit them up if you need any of this stuff and you want these jacks. But I'm gonna throw it up on here, lift this thing up and bleed this power steering. So let's get at it. Alright guys, so I got the power steering all fixed. We just turned the wheel, me and Matthews did, we just were turning the wheel back and forth. Pretty much I lifted it up, did that non-stop, it was still making noise, and then I dropped it, it got better, but still making noise, so I added more fluid. I'm using OEM fluids, of course, from the dealership, but it stopped making the sound, and the steering's working great now, so we're about to go for a little test drive. The front bumper is not bolted on, it's still loose, it's clipped on. It's not gonna fly off or anything, but I can't go, you know, 120, 130 miles an hour, but we're gonna do a couple pulls. I'm about to check the fluids, check the tranny fluid, check the, you know, the motor fluid, all that good stuff, and the motor fluid, the motor oil. But we're gonna check all the fluids. I'm excited right now, as you guys can tell. It's been a long time waiting for this moment. Like, the car actually is, it's pretty much finished. I mean, it needs a couple little things. There's a couple little bits of body work, but we're really, really close. So we're about to do a real test drive, feel what this thing's got. So yeah, let's pull it out and go for a little test drive. All right, y'all. So look at the power steering's good. And this is the first, like, legitimate test drive. But why is it saying, why is the battery light blinking? All right, y'all, so we just pulled up to Mexico. We got the street mode on and shit. I don't even know what's going on right now, but we're about to go on for the first little rip. Everything seems good. Oh shit, what the hell? All right, y'all, so we're running into a little bit of a problem. Let me, some of you guys might be able to help. But so pretty much what's happening, first off, I'm gonna tell you guys that the tune is still on the car. The tune I called on the actual ECU, it's written High-Tech Motorsports, and also I called High-Tech Motorsports, and I called the company that Corey had swap the ECU. So Corey had a company swap the supercharger. He had him swap all the parts. Obviously you know about them because I talked about their work they did on the supercharger, but they never messed with the ECU. They were talking about messing with it, but they never did. They left the tune on it. So what my thinking was, is I was gonna put the original pulley on, and the exhaust isn't gonna affect it a whole lot. Obviously maybe a tiny bit, like the tuning matters, but definitely it wouldn't be doing this. So pretty much what's happening is when I turn the car, if I start it, it revs or whatever, and whatever I wanted to do, I can redline if I wanted. But right when I put it in drive and go to give it throttle, it's blinking this light right here. I don't know what this is here, let me show you. See this light right here? It's blinking this light. The engine light, I gotta scan that again. I'm pretty sure that's just for the exhaust, so I'm not really too worried about that. And then also, if you go to apps here, drive modes, everything looks good here, so I really don't know what's going on. I'm gonna talk to my buddy that they work on Hellcats a lot. I'm gonna talk to him and see what he thinks. I'm gonna throw the scanner on this and figure out what's going on. But I mean, it's coming along, I guess, but this is just annoying little stuff. I'm gonna start actually heading back to the shop. But I mean, it's limited right now. It doesn't wanna go past 2,500 RPMs. It'll drive normal, but it's like it's in limp mode or something. So not sure what's going on, but that light's blinking, and it looks like a lightning bolt. So I was thinking that was the battery, but now we got a brand new battery and it's still blinking. So I don't know, but what I do know is that's gonna be a wrap for this video because it's late. There's not really anything more I can do. I got a lot going on. Stay tuned for all that. You guys, there's a lot of exciting stuff going on. So stay tuned. And if you guys want to support your boy, I can finally say, go cop yourself some merch. I've been trying to say that for like 7 months now, 8 months now since I started YouTube. I've always dreamed of, you know, having my own merch. I got like the Columbia style, like I don't know if you guys have seen those Columbia fishing shirts, but that's where I got the idea for this. It says HELLKEAZY on the sleeve. It says JG here. I got the JG hats. Super nice quality. I mean, everything I make, I have made, and then I ship it out myself. It's not like I have some third party making it for me and it's all junk stuff, because there's a lot of YouTubers that they don't really care about their merch, but I always wanted my merch to be dope because I'm gonna wear it a lot, and all my boys wear it, all my friends like it. I made sure that they liked it before I started selling it, because if they don't like it, you guys aren't gonna like it. So go check your boy out. I'll drop the link below, and if you want to support me, I'd appreciate it a lot. So that's gonna be a wrap for this video. Next video, we're gonna be figuring out what's going on here. I'm not sure what's going on, but we're gonna figure it out like we always do. So I'll catch y'all later. I appreciate you guys watching, and that's about that. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit that like button. Peace.